Tired of that recurring Oculus charge hitting your account when you barely use your headset anymore? Let's get that subscription canceled right now. Alright, the easiest way to manage your Oculus subscriptions is through the Oculus Mobile App first. Grab your phone and open the Oculus app. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Typically in the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on that menu icon to bring up the navigation options. In the menu, scroll down and find the settings option. It might be represented by a gear icon. Tap on settings to proceed. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on the subscriptions option. This is where you'll find a list of all your active Oculus subscriptions. Now, you should see all your active Oculus subscriptions listed. Tap on the specific subscription you want to cancel. This will open the subscription details. On the subscription details page, look for a cancel subscription button. It might be located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that button. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Carefully read the prompt and then tap confirm or cancel subscription to proceed with the cancellation. You might need to provide a reason for canceling, which is optional but helps Oculus understand why users are leaving. Alternatively, you can manage your subscriptions through the Oculus website. Go to Oculus.com on your computer and log into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will direct you to your user profile. On your account page, find the subscription section. It's usually located in a sidebar or within a dashboard. Click on Subscriptions. Similar to the app, you'll see a list of your active subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel and click the Cancel Subscription button. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Oculus subscription. Now you can enjoy the relief of knowing you won't be charged again for something you're not using. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Oculus tips and tricks.